Hello everyone, it's 10th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have India inks €350 MN deal with UK to buy missiles, very important for international relations as well as defense perspective. Moving forward, we have Shah launches 1816 crore Yamuna cleanup drinking water project, very important again for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have Delhi's English medium schools take to Hindi after CBSE's mother tongue push, very important again for society as well as policy and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have Winter Wonder winner. Again, this is very important news. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. Both the articles are important for health perspective. India's mental health crisis, the cries and the scars, and India needs a unified mental health response. Then we have are women deciding assembly elections, very important for society as well as polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have the challenge of writing about the science Nobel Prizes, very important news again. Then we have this image of Gaza, hope amid despair, again very important, again a very important picture. Moving forward, we have what are the various electoral reforms, very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have the curious history of how quantum mechanics came to be seen in an electrical circuit, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have Modi's Starmer call for a two-state solution to Israel-Palestine conflict, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have India inks again deal with UK to buy missiles. We have already covered this in the first page. Then we have 100 HP schools to switch to CBSE curriculum, says Shuku, again very important for education perspective. Then moving forward, we have peace talks held in Leh. Mobile internet services have been restored, again very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have India to launch red list survey to assess extinction risks to plants and animals, very important for environment perspective. Then we have PM pitches India's fintech startups to global south, very important again for economy perspective. Moving forward, we have this world page. Israel Hamas agree to Trump-led ceasefire deal and hostage release, again very important news for international relations perspective. Then we have this person wins Nobel Prize in literature, again very important for. Then we have Laszlo Krasznahorkai wins Nobel Prize in literature. Then we have UN to cut 25% of its global peacekeeping force in response to US funding strains, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Russia's gas supplies down by 20% after Ukrainian attacks. And that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.